How can I stop being so self-satisfying? How can I just stop getting upset for the most minimum things? How can I stop believing my tempting thoughts or inclinations? How can I stop trying to repay evil to those who do evil to me? How can I stop hurting people? How can I stop offending and wounding the people I love? How can I just stop? How can we stop? How can we just forget about ourselves, our wants, our needs, us? How can we just trust in Him? How can we just give our problems to Him? How can we just forgive and forget like He always does? How can we truly, truly, truly love like He does? How can we just trust and follow Him? How can we be the example? How can we most of all imitate Him? How can we just truly put our focus on Him and Him alone? How can we follow Him forever, not minding what people think or what we think? How?